Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to go over my trade from yesterday, which was Friday, June 21st. Took a nice quick scalp at the open, which was 8:30 a.m. Central Time for me. So I went into the session wanting to use one of my most favorite setups, which is called the 2-2 reversal. It's very effective, very powerful, very easy to identify. Okay, I actually have an indicator that I've created, which is called Strat Pro. Right now, it is free for everyone. So if you are interested in it, let me know. I have a link in the description. You could check it out. All right, and so for those of you that are not familiar with the Strat methodology, the Strat has different candle types. And the candle type that we are interested in is a 2 up and a 2 down. A 2 up is a candle that breaks the high of the previous candle. Okay, so this candle right here would be a 2 up because it breaks this high. And a 2 down is a candle that breaks the low of the previous candle. All right, so let's go to a 2 down. This right here would be considered a 2 down because it breaks the low. All right, and so a 2 up is a pattern to where the candle breaks the high of the previous candle, and then the following candle after that breaks the low. Okay, so here we have a 2 up, 2 down, which is displayed by the indicator because this candle broke the high and then the following candle broke the low. Okay, so we would get in right at the break of the low in this candle. So we would get in here and then you can ride it as far as you want. Okay, the Strat methodology tells us to look to the left for price action. And each of these levels would be price targets. Okay, here, 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 here. These are all price targets, and they're all met in this particular play. Okay, so right now we are in a downtrend. I know that because I have a moving average right here that is descending. And so I would want to capitalize on a 2 up, 2 down. All right, and right now we're being set up for a 2 up, 2 down because we have a 2 up right now. Okay, so there's 9 minutes left for this candle to close. When it closes, I will place a sell stop underneath the low of this candle. All right, so let me go ahead and fast forward. Okay, so that candle closed. I actually just placed my sell stop. The one thing I like to point out is I really don't like this particular entry right now because this candle was so large, and this candle right here would have to come down quite a ways in order to trigger it. Okay, so I'm hoping that I actually have another 2 up candle where we break this high and then price action keeps the candle a little, shorter. And I believe that's actually what happens. Okay, so we're going to wait. As of right now, this candle has not broken the high, so this is still considered an inside bar. And that's what this IB stands for. My Strat Pro indicator also, captures inside bars for you as well. Okay, and then if you notice, these candles are different widths. TradingView just recently launched a new candle type. I believe it's called volume candle. Okay, and so it's going to be wider the more volume a candle has. And so I've been using that lately. I really don't need it. I just like it. It looks pretty cool. When you see how much volume a candle has, that determines, how wide it is, right? And I believe you have to have the premium package in order to be able to use that. Okay, so let me fast forward again. This time it's 8:11. Okay, excellent. This is no longer an inside bar because it crossed the high of this large candle here. Okay, so that's what I was looking for. This is now a 2 up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that sell stop order. Okay, I canceled it. And now I am going to wait for this candle to close, and then I will place a sell stop order underneath the low of that candle, hoping that it goes down further. Okay, so I placed my sell stop, and then as far as my price target, I'm looking for the low of this candle because, again, that's what the Strat teaches us, to look at price action to the left. right? So this would be a level. This right here would be a level. This would be a level, and this would be a level. But I'm not trying to be greedy. I'm just looking for a small slice. And I'm hoping that with it being close to the open, I'll get a lot of momentum, and then I'll just capture that very quickly, and I'll be done. All right, I was nervous for a minute because it didn't activate at first. I guess because the move was so aggressive, but I finally got triggered, and we're almost there already. Already done. Took about 20 seconds. I closed out the computer after that. I was still on my way to my job. Done for the day at 8:30. It's not even 8:31, so less than a minute. Very effective. The 2-2 reversal, you need to check it out. Again, my indicator Pass Strat Pro can help you identify the opportunities. You can set alerts. You really need to check it out, my friend. All right, if you got anything out of this video, if you could smash that like button, drop me a comment. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here for you. As always, trust the process, be patient, and don't over leverage, and you will be successful. We'll see you next time.